So yes, peeps, it's your boy Only Fire 777, and we're there. They're in a Grand Cayman. We're there in a Grand Cayman, peeps. And it's a Friday night. So we're there watching you play some football. As you can see, place bright up, light up. Yeah, decent feel and sitting peeps. Yeah. So I'm there watch Big Belly Owen and Guns play some football. Yeah. So then still play ball, peeps. So Owen, they don't know, so peeps. Yeah. Leave down the peeps, they play ball. Yeah, so, you know, you then can come and come full joy the ball, night ball. As I say, the feel, proper feel. So the feel look. Yeah. Artificial grass. Still good. Well, nice and proper feel. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. So yes, peeps. Yeah, I missed to score first goal. Actually, I was to play, but then when you come late, but I guess I never late because we just not too long reach. After 9, and then just a start. Alright, yeah. Right, that's the first goal. I have to go. You right now if you see that one there. Are you scoring? You know. You know, so I know I score some goals, so I see tonight him feel good, you see it. Him feel good, so him score. Can you tell me say I score a goal? Yes, peeps, so we're in Prospect, so we're in Prospect, Grand Cayman. Yeah, we are in Prospect, Grand Cayman, peeps. And as I say, it's a boy Only Fire 777. If it's the first time tuning into the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One Fire, Only Fire. Love what I do, and do it the best of your ability. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm quite far away from them, so I have to zoom in more time. Show them how I'm going closely. Yeah, actually I bring another phone, so I'm going to go up on TikTok live, but then it's hard to monitor 2 phones. And actually I have to zoom in, so yeah, that would be very hard. Yeah. Move. Yeah. Tell Owens what are number 10, but he said choose number 8. Yeah. Also, peeps, it's a proper feel, but even though if we wear tight guys, if I drop on this, it chip up same way. Just like on a rough feel. Right. And a lot of Jamaican youths too. You know, Jamaican youths have talent, they're very talented. They have raw talent. Yeah. And them play clean football too, no broke football game, because everybody have to go to work, because majority of them is on work permit. They don't really live, I would say they live here, but they're not on work permit. So everybody have to be careful. Missed that one there. Yeah. So they play a clean ball game, peeps. And they actually start, they pray before they actually start too. And with them, anybody cuss bad word, I would say anybody use an indecent language, yeah, they have to come off the field for at least 10 minutes. You say, oh, you score 1. Eh? Are you scored first one? Eh?
No, I scored 3.
You scored 3? Alright, sir. Boss, I must score a hat-trick, please. So let's see if I score a hat-trick for 2.
Watch the big pass, watch the big pass.
Yeah.
Help if you want it.
Yes, yes. Let me say, I could have still brought my boots and play, but I already never in the mood to play. I already lost the desire to play, so I never bother play peeps. I didn't bother to play. Yeah. Yeah, that was close. I could have done better with that ball still. So I'm not gonna try to even commentate. So this is more like a skimmage goal, peeps. Yeah, this is skimmage goal we call in the Caribbean. Skimmage. Or in Jamaica we call it skimmage. So it's like, yeah. Yeah, move. On the line. Yeah, control. I'm kind of better with that, same here. All gone. That's a throw. Yeah, and I just say the field is short. So they play within that line over there and this one here. Save it's a goal now.
Good job,
Make it run out.
Jerry!
Too big fame, as we say in Jamaica, too high fame. So he couldn't control that. It's too high and he's quite short. He's short like Owen. Actually, boy. And as I say, they have them, what you call it, bib. Yeah, so, you know, one time they used to have to like skin and shirt. But nobody does do that. There's no need to do that.
My side, a simple piece of rock that. We tap it cutting. Seconds there. Man on. Easy for that. Easy for that. No. Man on. Yo. Aye, ref ball. Aye, let him move. It's a fall.
Yeah, so be careful. Peeps, one time I come up here and I play and I had an accident with a guy. And my foot swelled up same time. I thought it was, you know, a serious injury. Offside. Hey, mosquito there. Out, peeps. Shit. Yeah. Bad control.
Oh, God, man, no ball.
One thing with Jamaican ballers, they're not really into one-time bunks and like to, as we call it, shift. They like to drivel then. They're not really one-time bounce like what you'd watch in the English Premier League. They like to, you know, take on the whole entire field. So Jamaicans stay. Yeah, it's like the Africans them. Yeah, they will take on the whole field. Jesus, fine it. He ain't back now, man. Oh. assist. Yes, peeps. So we are here in Grand Cayman, as I say. Yeah, it's a Friday night. I'm out here. So no matter what late you come in from work, you can always come play ball. Because sometimes I don't finish play ball until after 10 to 11 before they leave up here. Because the night is cool. It's even better than in the it's far better than in the day. Some people rather the early morning, some people do it at night. Yeah. And then tomorrow morning, no, Sunday morning, you will actually see some other guys here playing in the early morning. And this is actually a field piece because I have a school nearby. You have a school nearby here too. It's a high school. I don't remember if it's a high school. You have a school nearby, but this is the field for the school. Also. Tonight it seems like I'm mainly Jamaicans and them can cuss, but them not cuss now in decent language. You know, then take them football game serious, very serious. Which is right, should take it serious. Your boss, Owen, your boss man. No, you tell me, your boss man. No fall, drop off of the ball. Drop off of the ball. My ball didn't drop over, man. No fall. So the space too small, so I'm gonna spread the goal, let the field wider. Yeah, so the rest are too small. Yeah, which is small still. The length is alright, but the width right here is actually small because they're actually playing in the 18-yard box. Yeah. And more people coming on to the field, so they have to widen the field. That not sound right. That not sound right. I'm saying anybody with long hair in consider as lady, which is not right. Why? It's just amazing peeps as it can be in the night here, so, and I don't have any extra light, and the field is like so bright. Yeah, a while ago I was recording, I really realized that I was recording wrong. Yeah, and I don't want to be exactly behind the goal. Being exactly behind the goal, be setting up myself to get a ball in my chest or somewhere there, no? Yeah. So then bouncing. So apparently they're using here, so yeah. Control. Yeah. No man, you better control than that. As I said, this evening it seems like, or tonight, not this evening, I said this evening, tonight it seems like mainly Jamaicans. Normally Brains would have come play too, but Brains are apparently quite Brains busy or something. People Brains play ball too. A lot of us Jamaicans play football. This is the biggest game in Jamaica, just like Brazil. Yeah. But Jamaicans love football, but they don't eat football and sleep football like Brazil. Brazil is different. Brazil is a different species when it comes on to football. Alright, Owen. This Owen give a ball like that so easily. What kind of cut back that to foot not at all? What the ball are you? I'm teaching to play ball. I cut back nothing at all. Bounce it back. Put in a middle now. Pass it all the way back. Run on the ball now. Put in a middle. Look behind you. Put it ball to your right now, dude. And force in the middle, let's say, and put it on the corner. On the wing, I should say. I mean, Owen. I said, Owen, I play midfield now. I mean, Guns. Guns beat one, still have him ball, play it off. Back to Guns again. And now run. No, Owen, good try. Good try, Owen, but that would be better if it down on the ground and then you kick it. Yeah. Yes, peeps. It's a Friday night and we're out here just to watch some football. Yeah, could be playing, but I chose not to play. Sure. I choose not to play. Alright. Must have a foul now. You lose the ball and must have a foul. You can ball the foul.
Pressure, Jerry, no pressure, skill it, Jerry! Line. Give no control!
Like, seriously? Only a Jamaican would say something like that. Only a Jamaican, babes. Only a Jamaican would say something like that. Trust me. Jamaicans. Yes, peeps. Raw and unedited. Yeah, not even on TV you see it like this. You hear everything. You hear everything. You hear everything. Just not. I don't like to play ball without but them have them don't know what I guess them anything China. Them have some other small goal and but they have mesh on the back of them. Prefer play with them there. Oh, I bet they love you already. You love all us people vulture. So yes, people, as I say, this is the Caribbean, this is Grand Cayman. Yeah. And it's quite safe to be out here. Even if you put down your stuff them, because everybody put down their phone or whatever they have. See if you look over there, so you see phone on the ground, see your iPhone there, you see phone, car key, everything. You just put down your stuff them, nobody will trouble them. Yeah, so that's why most people like Cayman, because of respect and everything. Nobody will trouble your things, you know. I'm not saying it will not happen or it can't happen, but it's highly unlikely that it would ever happen. Put it that way. Very highly unlikely that it will happen. You don't have to worry that it might happen. And then kick it all the way down there, so true. Guns, what guns that control the ball properly? Next, guns have time and then have, you know, to control the ball.
Empty goal. Take a shot. Turn.
Score more goal now, man. We'll try. Better luck next time. But they're not kick off for the goal down here, so though. They're not taking no shots. They're playing, bounce and everything, but then when I reach close, then give it away. That was a flops. As we say in Jamaica, that's a flops. Yeah. Only a sharp boy away. You only a boy. A boy belly big. I asked him, no, I'm saying a bus set. But I'm not talking peeps because I came up here previous time before. First 3 minutes and I was out of breath. Because if you just get up and just play football and you play for a long while, you know you're gonna be very unfit. So definitely, yeah. As you run, you're gonna be tired, but when I get used to it, yeah. And when I play hard also. Yeah, ball for that, so when make man play ball, man. Only Jamaican customer play ball, so. Only Jamaican customer. Yeah. Safe now, score this now. Alright. Goal again. I'm gonna score. No score? Oh, they're saying it's not goal. That's the reason why it's good to have the mesh and the goal. But they're saying it's the outside post, so in a score. Oh God. So me out here peeps. I'm soon past my bedtime. But true, me not doing a vlog today. I just say I give you something. Because I want to remain consistent. And I say consistency is the key. Yeah. Yes, peeps. Okay. Bluetooth connect. It's a wheelchair. What do you mean by that wheelchair ball game? Right. Oh my gosh. First time. Rush to her. Mosquito up here, peeps. Alright, Owen, take your time. Now, amigo. Yes, over to your right. No lose that, you know. Gosh. It's a good ball game so far, peeps. They're actually bouncing the ball, but they're just not scoring. They're not finishing. Yeah, exactly. They stay too wide for the goal. Yeah, whenever the thing I like with them, with the feel here, they have a little black something here. Yeah. Yeah. Even just walking it, I mess up in my slippers. And I like feel the grain. But peeps, when you drop on this, you chip up same way like asphalt. Control, not properly controlled. Mean guns, going guns. Oh, I'm going to ease up. Ah. Alright. Yeah, good ball. We have to continue run. Continue run, you'll get that ball. I realized I had too much in my pocket to run on the ball. Because I had my phones down and I have phone in my pocket and keys. So sorry for that jerky video. Well, oh, no, come on to calm down. Oh, sir. I already have a problem with the name there. Peeps, for you, those who don't know what a drunker is a vulture. But in Jamaica, we say jankro. It's a vulture that feeds on dead meat. Another man calling another man that. That is so not nice. Oh, typical Jamaican. Yeah, good try guns. Yeah, ball. So them bouncing down and for them off. But when them attack, they're not attacking numbers, so that's the problem. Another even big football size with the same thing too. They are defending and then them bouncing there off and they are not attacking really. It's like two person coming forward. So they don't attack in numbers. They're more defending. And if you are the side that is losing, yeah, you should be attacking. Not playing like your score and you're just defending your goal. Good try. And football again, peeps. Not realizing I'm gonna turn off it. I need to stop the video. see. We're going to score now. Let's see if they're going to score now. Oh my God, man's going to kiss and get up. I don't have time for that. Square ball to box cover. When bongs it to somebody. So yes, peeps, as I say, if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, wall fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. Yeah, so to support the channel by subscribing. Yeah, like the video. It doesn't cost anything to like the video. You don't have to enter your credit card information. Yeah, nothing like that. It's not that serious, peeps. You know, when I watch videos on YouTube, I normally click the like. It comes in just normal for me to click the like. It becomes my norm to click the like button. Yeah, because you're helping the channel. I don't know, some people do it. And at times, so you watch a channel, there's people subscribe. I see a lot of people subscribe, and it's like 3 people unsubscribe. But sometimes those who unsubscribe need to unsubscribe anyway. Yeah. But some people are very jealous when your channel is growing too. Yeah, they don't like, they watch what they don't like and they don't subscribe or so, you know. Yeah. But that's just people. People will be jealous, same way. You can't stop people from feeling the way that they feel. Yeah. So I'm falling. So the side that is in the yellow bib, they are leading 1-0. Yeah, so it's alright. No, I'm gonna do something like that, man. Pressure him, see me, man. Alright. Control, good control. Yes, good cut. Play the ball. Good try. That's a good kick. Oh, good try to score a goal still. I sweat you out. When wet, you see, babes, even though it's night and night is cool, you still get a good sweat at this hour of the night. So you go home from work, get a bath and come back feeling fresh. Come on the ball game, get a sweat, you go home again, get another bath. No, sir. Better make you look like a cricket in my play. Oh Lord. And see, peeps, floodlight, 1, 2, 3, 4 floodlights. Very good. Yeah, so certain hours of the night, then somebody come to turn off the light. I guess probably a security that works here. They have a specific time when they turn off the light. And a lot of places in Cayman, they have fields like this. More than one place, not just one. Where you have floodlights, so you can, them and them go there and play football, or people go there and exercise at night. Just imagine that you can actually go to exercise in the night. Really, no disturbance. Very safe. So if I should rate Cayman for anything else, more than anything else, I would say for safety. Yeah. Alright, let's have now score this now. Oh my gosh. No man, that's it.
Master, what must I do to please you? Everything I do, you cost me. What should I do to please you? What should I give you the ball every time I get it?
So everything him do, boss I cost him one for please him. So I talk like him a Nigerian. Move. Spear now.
Number 8, good run. Stay with it. Where man in there? Watch out. Manan! Hey, cool boy.
Near the goal.
Come again, Fancy.
I don't know what about me now, but I this time.
Come again, right there. Not just off, not right. I'm off the control ball. No, you can't control it.
Yes, more people coming to play ball. Look that way.
Run two, that's it, steal him. That is it,
Bounce the ball, brother.
Confuse the devil. Good try, King Moore. Chin. Yes, Chin. And Chelo. Back post. That him can't do nothing there, son. Pressure too. That is it. Pressure. Confuse the devil. That is it. That is it. Good try, man.
Get that goal in score, but I miss it. As I zoom in, and that's a bit too much.
9 at the back. You know what I get? We struck him now. Right, yes, sir.
Keeps the breeze is so cool. Mosquito was biting, but them gone now. So one more man. Oh, no play.
Try. Yo, run up in that field, man. Try. One, Jerry.
One.
Pass, give me now. Sorry, fancy boy, too far from you, boy. Pass the ball, give me a one.
So yes, peeps, it's Friday night ball game. Seems like Jamaica, don't peeps? Just like when you're at Jamaica, what are Jamaicans? A lot of Jamaicans, see me? Just like Jam Down. Just that they have a little more discipline. Yeah, oh, we're not run.
Alright, get it now. Window. No, Chin, use up fancy now. Get it now.
Let's score now, man.
Exactly. I run my ball. Well, see. Hey, look. I give him one.
Alright, we're gonna defend.
Don't do too much. Look how long you can. Don't do too much. Don't do too much. You get behind the red shirt. Get Jerry, where you know? Hold on, one. Nobody. Alright, somebody got support. Man.
Guns, man.
Third bad, away fire that third bad. Why? You through.
Just to control the ball and keep it on the ground.
Go, push up the line. Ball in now, hey, 8, come on, 8. Watch boys. Again. Good. Go cross, big boy. Oi, watch me go. Walk one, me go. Nice out. Right back, don't make it easy. Come on, right. Go back. Yeah. Go cross, Jerry. Like you shot. You not give man a shot, brother.
Sure. Gonna bung up game that.
Come on. Not right back in our court. Here. If we are playing big goal, then we strike. Aki, right down. Handball. What mean by? I want
Oh, in that tape. Eh? If I play a replay to see who wants the ball, they might ask me who wants the ball, peeps. But even me have a camera, I'm going to see the ball. So definitely camera, it's on the camera still.
Watch me over there. Jazz, don't touch the ball.
Jazz, them batted on you, I said, Aki.
No, I'm talking about what I saw.
What do you saw?
George?
When?
I saw when they touched
Before I
on his right.
Yes, peeps, this is just raw Jamaicans playing football, peeps.
Yo, hombre, I'm coming to the ball and I'm going to if you have time, I wait for you, hombre.
One so far, because I'm not sure. I'm dead.
I'm just talking about what I saw.
Yeah.
Ball man.
No.
Good try, Michi.
No, sir. I mean, he get a goal and then kick it all the way in the bushes, all the way over there. And it's also half a moon, peeps. It's moonshine. Half a moon in the sky, peeps.
Get China.
Ryan Sterling. Watch the middle.
Take it back. No. Jeez, and peace. No. Come here and go for beating this. So 1, 2, 3 of them. Man pass, ball no pass. Ball pass, man no pass.
Well done. Good one, Mr. Skilly. You're elder man, you play ball.
Yes, peeps. It's a long night, peeps. It's gonna be a long night when you youth play football. We're not gonna left till what time now? So it's like 10:19 already, peeps. So more likely we're gonna leave here until after 11 to 11. Yeah, I tell them, peeps, they play late. Play until late.
have to come.
Him can go on now. Oi, no switch his side over here. Make him go on. Make the rest of come on, me score, man. Fancy we score.
Exactly. Play ball on.
Good pressure too. My turn. What's the pressure? Yeah. Don't move. That's it, man. Nice. Foot touch, man.
All gone again.
You know what I found comfort in?
All on the field.
I've already found comfort in that. So nothing you say or do can determine. Apply pressure. No, sir. I'm consulted with myself.
Yes, I've been good. We start staying on my Friday that time.
On my Friday that time. Yo. One man. Hey. Yo, step in. Nice.
Yeah, almost conceded. But tired Owen I don't know if you ball tips.
Yeah, what's it? Yeah, what I feel?
No, man, you're good, man. We touch it before, you know.
Daniel has come to the realization he's not a footballer either. We know. When someone we can admit it, Daniel good goal!
Oh, that was close.
Can't blame him. You see how quick the ball around the ball bounce, man.
Watch you run my side.
The ball in our bar. Ball in our come far. Pressure.
Ball I got a score. Let's say ball now.
Nice ball.
Nice.
Hey, win!
Where did I can take some beating?
I did a lot for that, you know. Easy, man. Alright, make you respect them tackle that though. That not go anywhere. Tournaments are over, Peter. Look, we don't come.
My side.
Number, don't here. Well, number. Hey.
Good try? Really? There's such a thing as a good try in football. It's a field pile. Foul. You try to push him off the ball.
Two legs strangler.
My side, one of them.
Two legs strangler. Pressure number here. Like a magnet man go say, I must come no man.
Oh, what's the skin and go somewhere? I'm taking you in the
Big boy, try. Oh, yes, drop. It's time to kick that. Guns up, play. Turn him. But I can't score goal.
No.
You know me hate you. What me can do for please? Tell me just come on, five. Yes. One.
Peeps will need to score.
Oh, skinny boy.
That's another goal. So I guess we have to replay that one then. Because I did not zoom in on that one properly. So that's 2-0 2 to the side in yellow. On the other side, score none so far. Because they are not attacking. They are attacking with at least 2 men up front. So the rest of the man them back there. Not coming forward. And lose it again.
Help! Help! You always try to switch it and then mash up your toe.
Good for try.
Good try.
So we know you have gun. Good pressure too, good pressure. Nice. Number 8.
Look what.
Watch it from your hurt. Good run number 8. Nice.
Play ball now, Pips.
Go with him, go get some help.
Tired now, when?
Go on, Josh, go in now.
Good start. Good ball. Good ball.
More goal again, Pips. So that's 3-0. Yes, 3-0. Bye from the Pips.
Number 6. Watch your ball. Just tell him say no gimme. So where you going then?
What kind of food is that?
Exactly. Come in.
No, tackle. Go on, Jay. Go tackle, Jay. Mark, come run. Run again.
Good pressure. Number 8. Come on. Come off 8. There's a shirt behind you.
Run.
Watch it. Number 2. Watch your back foot. Good drive.
Mosquito come out back, Pips, because the breeze start blow. Oh, you can feel them, they want to heat me off. And up here, so Pips have a lot of bush up here, so they have enough mosquito. I don't have on any off.
No skilling.
Yeah. Well done, again.
Walk in.
Sorry, blast boy.
Walk in.
Could have put you on another. Oh, no, Masti. Don't put it again.
Watch Davi.
Move away. Now, stomach. One deal. Good.
You know what you can know me free?
Give him some time.
Come. Try. Yeah, give him option. Go.
Come on. Let's see where
Try, but
Number 8.
Tell him where you step before them.
only Jamaicans.
Pass your line. Good one, good. Nice.
Peeps, I'm fighting with mosquito at the same time. I try record.
Stay with us, Jerry. Don't tackle him now. Hey, teacher.
Good. You want to play the hard ball, them all the while. I win the customer.
Watch out now.
Walk foul. Yeah, man.
Skilly, what me do?
Yeah, man.
Skilly.
Yeah, man.
Skilly.
I don't understand that. Come on,
How can I fall?
I don't understand. What happened?
Oh, that fall.
Who can fall?
Who's the fall? Clear, clear, clear. Hey, stop this rubbish here, man. Man, say more ball. More ball, fan.
Me bouncy ball, me let it go.
Yeah, again. I understand about play.
Got him. Shoot. Got him.
Out. Out again. Up. Up.
Hey, Skilly. Tackle me, Skilly. Tackle me, Skilly.
Nah,
Skilly. Left it, jump, bro. Nobody know out there.
Some peace. Hold on.
Watch him.
He hit it drunk, bro.
Nah, give me a job.
Guys, you come out and play some football, man.
Yo, play football, man.
Hey, Jim, get on. Come on, John,
Man, bag him now when I play out that.
Don't date it. You know, say now. Watch it. Don't date it football now. Come on, bro. Come on. Old school. I'm on the pass for you, John. You know the time.
Well done.
Now, first if you one score, you know.
Yeah, sorry.
Play ball, man, yeah.
No, I need that again.
Round up, bro.
So they more defend now.
Come here, look, man.
Nice. Go, pressure. Apply pressure.
Oh, God. Take the ball, man, on top of nice, man.
Take it, John. Take it, John.
Good try, Gary. Nah, get up, guys. Good try,
Hold
man.
on, say this. Hold on. If it is score, we have just play through one time.
Come here, no, we win and take it, John. Hard up here.
All right, for me, I listen to you. Boom!
Go now.
Listen to you, so. Don't fire. Come here, lie down.
So, George, you retire or what?
That's it, sir. You're deaf. You see the bad mind now, the mind corrupt. I'm going to tell you, say, me chat
Where
talk
Jane
too
there?
much.
Oh, you want sweat on a Kimbo? Oh, you want sweat on a Kimbo? Go in that game!
Go down, man.
Shut up your mouth and go in that
ball.
game! Go in that game!
Me not in that game.
Box cover.
Boy, in that game, you know how me go. I argue too far. All right, man, come.
Come back.
Man, I'm fancy.
Man, in that game, and argue. Pressure. That's me no good.
Pressure.
You keep him on the line. Wrong side. Nice. Pressure. Nice. Pressure. Nice.
One chip.
Again, wide again. No, wrong. Keep go wide, man. Wide.
What's the back post? 30 of them. Strong sim. Number 8. Don't move.
Oh, good job, boy. Really.
Can't. Come in two.
Come here. Again, dead.
Wait,
Nice, boy.
Come here.
Can't.
All right. You know, Hansi. You want that skinny? Me the behind you. You want that skinny?
Kick off one, Skilly.
Let the man have a conversation. Let the man have a conversation.
Look where you're going to say the behind you. Let me there and ball up on the field. Yeah, when you're trying to say, me there have the people but the ball up here, ball we are playing. Hans, you know why I don't want you to take it tight from his body? That's why I say that. When I tell you which part is that, I know it up on the field. No, better. You say I have to play football. You get anything now? Let me know if you can get it.
Points in the hands, you want a goal, you want. The ball off it. Oh, all him play football, he can get him one. But him not score, that's the thing. You need to score. Man, say anything you want, then get him a play, but you can say anything you want to get when you not score. I don't see the logic in that.
Which Which one? Josh, catch up. You know I'm not that fancy, so I call him.
No, watch out.
Try again. Whip it up here. Guns out of game. Go out of game, Guns.
Yo?
Alright, just second. Just want to know if you're alert so we can go down to the ball. 2, come on. 6. Mr. Skilly.
See, they need to attack in numbers in order to
6. Watch Mr.
score back. And I realize that in the 3-0 down. Yeah, bounce ball, but then
One foul, Jake, one.
Good in a boy.
Come back over here, start up each other.
One, two. Chin.
I play in front of the goal.
Third my side. 4 or 5 names.
And you know, for me, in play with in front of the goal, I must bust a slide tackle for him right in front of the goal.
Pressure, Jerry, pressure. Go with the 2.
Oh, underneath it, underneath it. Boom. Boom.
So I turn off the camera because the man can't score because I'm afraid the camera shy.
Number 2. Run, yeah, run.
Come on. Yeah. Go on in. Pressure, Jerry. Pressure, Jerry. Pressure. That is it. That is it, Jerry.
Come here.
Nice.
Hey,
Jerry, come on, Jerry. Jerry, come on. See him there.
Hey, come here. On fire. If you can score in our seat,
Left the ball.
There's a wicked jump. Don't give me.
Control.
Sorry, bro.
One fight,
Yo,
one fight. Dead boy. Aye, me a killer, you don't rough with me. You don't rough with me. You don't play with me.
See what time now, peeps? Like 10:38. Just to be some people. The guys will play ball till over 2 hours. There's a lot of hours when they play ball in the piece, trust me. Oh, God. Can I score well again now?
So we are in 4 nil.
But it don't really matter. You can't worry, you have to anticipate, so it's still okay. Yeah, but you don't get the victim of the game one time, man. It's not that big. I give it out the man. You have to anticipate here. Don't give it up. I wouldn't get the ball one time when he's like, he game to play like one. And when me now use Kazalanda, they can't get the ball. Give. Push it. Marco, line.
Number 2.
Yeah. Come on, brother. Jay, don't go share them.
Guns, you tap out, man. Yeah, tap out long time. Number 8. Watch.
How is it going?
Oh, you mean after George back,
control going. Big kids for football, I look at bunks them. Yes. Come back right.
Man on. I mean Mr. Skilly.
No, fire gun. Come on.
Oh, then I get Jerry ball for scoring.
Give me.
I'm in a good spirit. 8, where you go for?
Well done, boy.
Bossy.
Poor try. Poor again try. Walkie 4. Come round. Come round.
Stay wide, too. Stay wide,
Aye, play ball.
You have chin kick it, so stay wide.
Flicking up, you know. What you do?
Ooh la la. Pressure. We can't get the
So-
love relationship. Two, watch it up.
Love on 8.
Watch the black shirt. Skip.
Good on.
Come in, Jerry.
Mark up
Watch
9 at the
fancy.
back.
Come on, you're skilling now. Come on.
Play ball.
No, try no.
Too much of them.
No. Just back him up, chin man. Don't worry about it. It play, you shot to the nugget. Just focus on make it play.
Fancy anyone you want tonight.
Jerry.
Four.
So where you going for? Yeah, remember you already are going. You already are going.
Come on. Get close again.
No man.
Four at the back again. Mark up again.
You already are going, you know.
All right, son. Take it for him. All right, take it for him. Good goal.
No,
For the loose ball. Hey. For the loose ball.
Relax now. Chin.
Give me ball.
Alright. Number 2, give me ball. Alright, hey, I fall. Anything, Charlie.
Hey, one now, come round. Watch it, boy. Roll it, Stay close. 9 at the back.
Come, Rasta, touch that one.
Again.
Ball.
Good pass away.
Turn on top of that.
Come again.
Come in, I'm more in you on Chelsea this year.
Yeah, boy. Go with him.
Fancy way.
Yeah, boy. Watch him.
Out.
Watch him, boy.
I'm a defense, so no, I'm a defend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up here. So they're mostly defending. And they only lead 3 love. 3-0.
Yeah, boy. All right.
Hey, we're not playing no curse words.
Good goal.
Come on, fire gun. Come on, come back, number 8. Come back.
I hear shot.
All back my side.
Come back. 5 at the back again. Go over, Jerry.
That's the boy.
Yeah.
You know you was smart.
Pressure.
No you.
Pressure. Nice. Good pressure.
Yes,
Nice.
Yeah, boy.
We never look so
Come, Jerry.
Oh, fancy. What? Hey, James.
They give it the ball pretty quick. Not taking any shots at the goal.
Fire. Come run. One game. Yeah, number. Yeah. Go again. One, come round.
You put up neck. You're not even lucky, I know. You lock knee, but foot up.
Yeah, go on again. Jay. Go play again, Jay.
Well, lock knee and foot up.
Yeah, we are feet. Yeah.
You have to go in the middle.
Yeah, we
You
are
have
feet.
to go in the middle.
Pass him away.
You have to go in the middle. Where you go wide?
So you see, they know they have no man down there. Because them a defend everybody up here, so.
Oh, this side already. Back this much man.
Stay close. Lock up the bigger. Rasta, come. Play. Rasta. You see what it is? Alright, come on. We don't better enough for that. We know first without me. I give me for. Alright, tell Chai. Now Chai now. That's why I'm saying no for. Chai now.
Next time the rule, yo.
Sweet Owen trim my winner now.
Next time the rule, yo.
Hey, sweet yo.
Ah, so you tell something I've been already.
Man, you say I show me a video. Man, you say I show me a video, them a lose. Okay, man, in camera shy.
No control. Yeah. Okay. Marco. Who are we? Right? Sorry, I get it now. I get it now. Again. Oh God, man, you make your body with yourself. Oh, one big boy. One big boy. See that? Good ball, King boy.
So give it that guns. Eat, man.
Come round.
Oh, we're not getting beaten there.
Well done, boy.
Beating.
Well done, boy. Again, boy. Next one ever come.
Oh, yeah, half of him.
I make chin go out and blast it. Business.
Number 4,
Sorry. I make chin shut you out and slow down with you.
Pass the ball. You want to do No, we just want to know better.
12 minutes to 11.
12 to 11.
Yeah.
We just not score. How time light out?
I don't know.
Left 30, me see you.
I think I'm like half 11, so the 12 minutes to 11 now.
I know we now make not score. My mindset different from here. Hey, I mean no much ball. Wait. Because we are still out there, so we get goals. Give me the game, man. Give me the game. We are still up to get on. Kick one. After one. Nobody. Oh, don't play the game. Difficult, man. Mark up again. Again. Rasta. Ball. One forward, everybody come back. No use. One forward, everybody come back. Everybody come back. Right there. Good try, boy. You should have did it. One forward, everybody come back.
What up, Mr. Skinny running now?
What up, everybody come back?
Yeah, I defend more.
One forward, everybody come back.
Yeah, mostly defending now.
Oh, left him out, make him out play football. Left him out, make him out play football. Where are you, coach?
I got.
Let's see man I get ball and I take shot. Number 8.
Don't boy.
Pressure guns. Make it gun stick.
Go pan goal. Somebody go pan goal now. Two go pan goal now.
Pressure. Nice.
Pass off it.
Don't do too much.
What are we doing?
Serious the boy.
Come on. What's a goal, man? What's a goal, man?
Surprise! I'm pulling shoelace like something wrong. Head up, Jerry. Head up. Now chin down. We have 6 more to score. Alright, take the shot back.
Again. But we respond now, yo. No man from West so we go if you know ball. Them time they kick the ball and we go further down this.
I want to kill attack. How trouble come like nowadays you have a gunman and go for
I will not go for it. Yeah, man, I stay ball game we are playing time we start with. Next week we'll come back and we are winning. Same ball game we are winning. We're now winning next week.
Why is it the game has come to this?
We didn't there last week.
You can't kick him out.
Why?
Give me that goal!
One more! Finish it off! Jesus! Moreno, we are playing.
Hey!
Moreno. Oh, get back!
Best foul in the ball.
Get back! No, I'm here this foul. I'm here. I'm here.
Watch you go for water back for the not play.
I'm here.
I'm move water back to us.
Yo! I'm here best foul. I'm here worst foul. Worst foul, yeah. Come, get back. Come here, get back, mark up again.
Cheer forward, man, no you.
Number 2 going at me. Again.
Watch the pressure, number 2, tackle. Nice.
Come on, go cross Rosemary.
Dodge!
Come cross Rosemary. Rosemary,
Number 4. Jerry, go ahead for some.
Bang it up now.
Number 6, I make up be nice in a charge.
Number 4.
Good ball, number 4.
Up number 2.
Yes, fancy.
Fancy, man, on to your left side.
Dead.
Hey, come on now.
Fancy, man.
Rosemary on the wall.
Dead. Kill a boy.
Take time, man, for
Rush
ball.
boy, make boy kick a ball. Kill a boy.
Go, make you love you.
I see my friend. Well done, Charles.
Go, make you love you. Go, make you love you.
Brother, kick it there.
Just how it. Oi. Go, make you love your boy.
Yeah, one nice. That ball shouldn't go in our ear again.
Go, make you love you.
Home. 2, turn on the jar.
Press.
Turn on the
Pressure
jar.
in.
Yes, great. Yes, go, make you love your boy.
Oh, come run. Jerry. Come on, Jerry. Come on. Five
Come,
up.
rest on us.
Come on, Jerry. Come on.
Rest on the side.
Number 2.
Come on. All the forward, we set up.
Come on. Come on.
No, keep her forward better. Come, look on my team. Watch your back post, number 8.
Nobody know about post.
Yeah, my limb.
But don't give me no judge.
Don't make it cut, come on.
Now, watch the game.
Let her fall, alright.
Come, Jerry.
Yo, come on, we don't game almost done no man.
Huh? Oh, when I use it, I get excitement.
Come, Fancy. We don't want nobody. Take care of 5 feet. Disrespect the man. No kick out that there, man.
Fancy, I brought them back off your band.
The
boss.
Hey, me get on now. The boss. Come, Fancy, before light turn on.
The ball, boss, yes. Change the ball.
Oh, he knows the ball.
We don't want this. Watch it, watch
Yeah, it's a foolish thing, but
You said the ball is tough for fun.
Let them post my you. Just really think I'll find out how post the ball.
We're not kicking till the boss, you go fix it.
Come in. Score, go, I love you. Because when I feel comfortable, if you kick me, I play.
I see him.
Brother, we kick the ball, boss, brother. I can't play with after tonight.
Take him out of fight.
Oh, currently.
No matter what we do, when the post is just post. I can't play after tonight, so we kick it till the boss. We can't do it. We can't do it. Nobody knows so no. No, I'm for time.
Yeah. Back in Jamaica, the days when the ball burst, we used to sweat, patch it and sweat.
Alright, let's have a time on vacation. Go, hey, time I go. Money won't win. Time I go. Yeah, so I don't think I'm willing to play with the ball. Alright, I'm on now. Come, the corner wall. Josie Murray on the wall.
Dead. Dead.
That's that. Watch
Watch the ball, just watch the ball. Again.
Josie Murray on the wall.
Yeah, man.
Go ahead, Jed, hurry up. Go ahead, Jed, go. Another shot. Another shot. Woo! Woo!
Me don't see that skilly. Me don't see that skilly. Me don't see that one that skilly. Me don't see that skilly.
Dirty boy.
Hungry. I can't while I try Tell him to kick it, kill me. Cause I don't care how him kick it. Die tonight. Take tonight. Come try, come to the ball. Oi, you tell the play to the man and you never live score. Great wall of China. Oi, come back, bud. Come back. One forward. Yeah. One forward we are doing. Great wall of China. Kick it to kill me. Alright, come on, get you up. What a goal! Yeah, come back now. That is enough. Come.
Don't try him, man.
Yeah, come back.
Right down there, so we are set out. Ah, that's 3 fouls. That's that. What you use now? What
Before line, turn off, Jade. Yeah, man.
that?
Half an hour left.
We have half an hour for all. We lose.
Just for 3 man, half an hour.
Come inside. Chelsea on the bus.
So it's almost 11 o'clock now, peeps. Yeah, it's almost 11 and these guys are still playing.
Thank you.
Man, I can't go for the bag, Antino.
Yeah, it's like 2 minutes to 11, peeps, and it's still a play.
Ready?
And it's a light cut off at 11:30.
Chelsea on the bridge.
Oh, boy! Hey! What's that again, boy? You again, right? Will the right? That is it. Yo, you can make him on bounce, so I'm 2 no. Fire, Kieran!
Go again.
Hey.
Right.
Yes, boy. Come on, the right one. Come on, side boy.
In clear that.
Malone can be.
We're working on the scoreboard. It's almost game almost over.
Line. That wicked boy, no? Straight down the back down. Straight.
Yeah.
Go on, Jade. Go on, Jade.
Yes, one. Oh, God, man, Jerry.
Oi, come run.
Nice.
Come on, mark up. Jerry, oi.
Watch again.
Oi.
In front there.
Jerry there.
Where we can mark one ball.
Jerry, stop. Jerry. No. Try down there, deep. Go on, try. Go on. Sure. Catch it. Go for it.
Turn one.
Oi, come round, Jerry, come on, Jerry. Come back.
Alright, all ball. Beatness and Skilly. Skilly, next side.
Again, Jerry.
Behind you?
No, I don't behind me.
Behind you?
Hey.
All ball.
Come, Jerry, where you stop for?
Make him take the shot.
Again.
Yeah, man, a young boy have to stretch out, man.
Hey, ball. Come on. Go, man. Jesus. Gone, boy, gone.
Yo, you want to see a green? You're going to cut it young for one see a green.
That no, it's a run, man, so you can't make
That's easy with the left leg. All on my side. I need the left them, sir. Yo.
shop out John, we're gonna respect that green.
You're coming, I want Chibella now.
Oi, anybody chop me, just know say me a jar him down.
Cut out the party here.
Watch your bounce, watch your bounce. Come in, on the fence. Jerry, come Jerry.
Jerry. Come in.
Well done. Okay.
Well done, Chin. Come on, man. Out of pressure, man.
Well done, Chin. Well done, Chin.
Yes, peeps, so it's Friday Night Live football in Grand Cayman. Yeah, I haven't been up here in a while, so I just decided to come up here and do a vlog. So I'm just stick and stay and watch what I go on. Don't skip the video. Watch it to the end. That is it.
Alright, Dr. Sir George. Number 4. We are
First man get transfer in a me.
Alright.
Good, fire! Fire, good!
Jerry, two on the one side beside each other. Come on, watch your back post. Stay two.
Yo, make apply some pressure now.
Well done, boy! Well done, boy!
One here. Turn your back.
Jerry!
You can't see that man, Jerry. Just pass, man. Just pass and keep it rolling. Hey, come on now.
The ball from no man.
Nothing else, just make your ball. Right. Nice.
Oh, brother. Easy. Now, John, can carry ball from now. Throw a ball. That's a place.
The fat boy are fast, you know. The fat boy are fast, you know.
What?
Give him on the ball. Give him on the ball, quick. You know good, I mean, I only good man up there. I only good for the player. And I can't stand like I'm doing one ball. Oh, eh?
I'm setting up the run the ball.
I'm 5 and 6 man.
So you have to run the ball at time when the fish is going to get tired.
I said enjoy ball game.
Ball.
Don't rush your ball, just bounce some ball and do what I do. Enjoy the game.
Well done, boy.
One deal.
Well done, boy.
Right. One deal.
Fire. Fire, Jay. Fire, Jay.
One deal. Nice, oh God.
Fire.
I mean, anyone will chip you by one animal.
Man fast and Jerry. You got fat man fast like a flea.
Don't play it.
Yo, get up, man.
Lift it.
You guy?
Watch him run.
Skilly ball.
Outside.
Go.
Yes, Jerry. Up there.
Give him a Jerry.
One.
Give him one. Give him one.
Hey, all
Right.
Next side.
Look, boy. No, boy.
Well done.
Get.
Ooh, la, la, la.
Somebody kill somebody.
Give me pocket style.
No, boy. No, boy. Hey. No, boy. To kill us.
Oh, wait, I can't deal with that, sir.
And if they kick in the back, what's the guy?
Owen, When you come and deal with that, sir? Yeah. You're tired? Oh, me understand.
What's the goal? Jerry, what's the goal?
No big pass. No big pass.
Number 2.
Jump.
They don't care what they do, me I give. They don't care what they do, me I give.
Too big, too big.
Come back. Come back, gun. Too far, gun. Jay, come back and play defensive midfield. Yeah, man. Jay, come back and play defensive midfield. Yeah, man. Come back. Get down, man. No use right there. No use up there. Ready, let's go. Come back in that goal. Ball a play. You fancy the ball. Yeah, keep it on.
Hey, ball.
Pressure. Go. Malcolm line.
Oh, sorry.
Well done, play. Go, lad.
Are you turning on?
Well done, boy. We're not cuss, ball. We're cuss, you kick the ball. Go, cuss.
It's a tape, man.
Skip.
Run to Fancy. Alright, we're pretty well not ready to give me ball. What's your number 2? Number 2. What's him? Give him! Jerry, stop the one! See my man, Jerry, come on. Hey, nobody in! Oi. Good. Mark up again. Go over, nobody. Go over. Hakim, look.
Oh, God, can't do it.
Well done.
Jenna, why do I?
Clear, man. Go on. Beat it to one. Good goal. Come. Good goal. Jesus.
Save it. Save it. Rango 4-0.
Come back.
Watch him number 2. Back close. Can't lie down. Hey. Grab a shot. Alright, keep it down there. Hold on, let me bust. Come on.
Yeah, boy.
Cheer it. Yeah.
Go again. No! Go feet. Nice ball, alright? Go feet, man.
Mosquito peeps.
Don't take off. Hey, we don't stay with it.
Nobody on the ice water?
Don't take off boots.
Ice in our eagle.
Like an injury foot.
Eh? Yeah. Come back, I want to take you. Yeah,
Get that drum credit. Turn with it.
So it's peace, ball game done. Yeah, only come and get injury, ringing foot. So say ball game done. Yeah. Thank you all for watching and sharing and commenting and liking and subscribing. Yeah. You see Owen over here, so peeps. I will see Owen get I'm brother salad Owen. Owen said train tired. Yeah, 3-0. Much a score? Much a score? You not score none?
I defend everything where they score. I defend that.
Yeah, defender.
Oh, you have to go where you defend that. Drop on the goal post in the After I was 15 hours.
Yes, peeps. It's been a good game, ball game, Friday night ball game. So thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. Yeah. Like I said, this is Grand Cayman. So it's like tell you what time it is now. 11:16. So they say light gonna turn off. So light is about to turn off. So everybody have to leave. Yeah, so one little young man ringing foot, that one. In the middle there, ringing foot. You know, I have like a weight. Yeah, so ringing foot, so ball game finish. Hope I'm gonna be alright. Can everybody have to go to work? Nobody wanna get injured. You see Owen over here, so Owen get a salad. So Owen see a train tired. Yeah. And see Gun get goal and a score. Yeah, Gun get goal and a score piece.
Oh, say so.
Eh?
Only for goal me score. And I say me play good. Defend, attack,
Alright.
tackle. Everything.
Alright, sir.